This is the Heavenly Temple. Okay, a temple where the Emperor of China would go every year. Okay, to thank the gods and to pray to the gods for the next year that the nation will have peace and prosperity. As you can see here, I'm taking this at around 3 p.m. and the weather is pretty cold. It's at minus 15.5 degrees Celsius. So pretty tough weather to be in. But anyway, I'm here, the land of my forefathers. It's pretty much to it.